In this video, I'll show you step-by-step how to delete multiple emails on Mac. Your Mac inbox probably has been a problem for a while. You keep telling yourself you'll deal with it, and then you don't. And now there's 4,000 emails in there, and half of them are from a candle company you signed up for once. We're in the Apple Mail app on Mac desktop. If you're on an iPhone, the steps are different, but this is specifically for the Mac app. Selecting multiple emails on Mac, hold Command and click individual emails to pick specific ones. If you want a whole block, click the first email, hold Shift, click the last one. Everything between those two gets selected. Then hit the trash icon at the top. Here's how to mass delete emails on Mac. If you want to clear out an entire folder at once, open it, press Command+A to select everything, then the trash icon. A pop-up will ask you to confirm, hit delete, and done. Here's how to permanently delete emails from Mac Mail. Pay attention to this part because most people skip it. Moving emails to trash doesn't free up your storage. They're still there. To permanently delete emails from Mac, right-click the trash folder in your sidebar and select Erase Deleted Items. That's the step that actually removes them. Here's how to delete archived emails on Mac. Your archive folder is basically a second inbox nobody checks, and it fills up just as fast. Click Archive in the sidebar. Select your emails the same way with Command-Shift or Command+A. Trash them. Apple Mail gets you so far. You can select multiple emails on Mac to delete them, sure, but you can't mass delete by sender, you can't filter by age, you can't set anything up to run automatically. Every time your inbox fills back up, and it will, you're starting from scratch. Clicking through the same folders, doing it all again by hand. This is one reason we built the app Clean Email. Our cleaning suggestions scans your inbox and shows you exactly what's taking up the most space. Old stuff from frequent senders, subscriptions you haven't opened in months, grouped and ready to trash with one click. When you connect your mailbox, we group your emails by sender automatically. So instead of scrolling through thousands of individual messages, you see them stacked. Amazon, LinkedIn, your gym's newsletter, and you can select multiple senders at once and delete all of it. Thousands of emails gone in about 30 seconds. And if you want your inbox to stay clean without thinking about it, AutoClean lets you set up rules. Delete emails from a specific sender after 30 days, trash promotional mail as it arrives. You set it once and we handle it from there. And if you're really feeling like purging your whole inbox, we do have a select all and delete everything as well. Check out the link in the description for 15% off. One thing worth doing while you're in Mac cleanup mode is to unsubscribe from the senders you keep deleting. Deleting without unsubscribing just means the same emails show up again next week. Treat your inbox like maintenance, not a crisis. 5 minutes once a week is way easier than spending an hour on it every few months. To summarize everything, Command+Click to pick individual emails, Shift to grab a range, Command+A for everything, and Erase Deleted Items to make it stick. Your inbox is actually clean now.